MRT station. It's still hot down here. More stairs. Yeah, I remember these. There's lots of stairs. Stairs after stairs in Singapore. There's just stairs everywhere. You not want to climb them, but you climb them. Oh, we're here. Oh, look at that. They are beautiful. Just like me.
Funny.
Ah, shut up, Perko.
Ugly brother, remember?
Oh, yeah.
I thought we were twins.
Yeah, we're twins. Oh, he's got hair, I've got none.
He's definitely ugly brother, isn't he?
You thought you were twins?
The lady at the restaurant. Oh, there we go. Marina Bay at night. We've been up there during the day. Again, they're building a fourth leg on that thing.
Four?
Yep, they're building another section on the back. Anyone else find those stairs really hard work? Okay.
Look up and walk forward.
How far would you like me to walk? That's not helping my YouTube support team. They want me to walk into the water whilst filming. Wankers. You dickhead. Unbelievable. Hello, thank you. Okay. Trying to, you know, when you get the hand gel, sometimes it's good, but sometimes it's like so much hand gel that you need like 6 hands and 5 bald heads to be able to rub it into.
Hand job.
Well, mate, hand gel, not a hand. I mean, if we're offering hand jobs, I'll take one. But you're only talking about hand gel, Michelle.
Sometimes you have too much.
You cannot get too much hand jobs, but you can get too much hand gel. Ooh, bridge. Look at that. We'll be up there soon. Hello.
I think we have to go up that bridge, don't we?
Do you? I think you would be correct, yes, unless you are an athlete and can swim.
You were trying to walk on water before.
No, Lockie made me try to walk on water.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yes.
If you did that, think of the subscribers.
Oh yeah, think of the subscribers while I'm drowning in some slush that you can't even. I think I could walk on that water like Jesus.
You would
that's funny.
Yeah.
That's funny.
Here we go. Oh look, more stairs, escalators. Everything has stairs and escalators, doesn't it? Oh man, straight across the bridge, mate.
Yeah, where's up gonna take you?
Up, it's not going to help us. We're going some stairs
Where are they?
because we need to do a few more stairs.
Where do they go?
Whoop. Ooh, look at that. Singapore Flyer. Now they've told me it's shut tonight, but let's see if it's moving. Are we moving?
It's not moving, Scott.
Thank you, Shane. Shane said it's not moving. Okay, April might be right. It's not moving. I tell you what, COVID has made things really painful. Because if that's not open, that's another thing that's, it's just, yeah, if you're coming for a visit to Singapore, you just can't go because everything's not open. You know, it's open at times, but it's open late, closes early. Whew. Here we go. This is more like Singapore, I know. Busy, busy, busy.
We're leaving.
We came here and they had all these lanterns on the river, and it looked fantastic. Hello.
Hold your phone tight because I know you.
Hello. It's not moving, is it? No. Bugger. Alright. Oh, we'll be back.
I don't think we should do that tonight either.
Well, no, night's good. Well, it really doesn't matter. Wow, this is a bit more like what Singapore's normally like everywhere. Just people, and it's just the sea. Yeah.
Good how that follow suit like that to the right second.
Yeah.
Not.
No, it's good.
Nice that it only goes for like 15 minutes to light show. That's what they're leaving.
Well, we've probably missed the other show.
Yeah.
Well, of course they are. Whew, information. All right, April, where are we going? Good. That's what I like to hear. That's probably not what we're looking for.
Talking to yourself again.
Absolutely not. I was talking to you. Were you not listening?
I was not.
You weren't listening?
No, because I know you were talking about that.
Talking to this. Whoop. Family, hello. Whoop. Oh, did you see that?
Yeah, you ran into a tree.
I did not run into the tree. I went around the tree. Masterful engineers.
Why are these not moving?
Because they're made of wood, mate. What are you looking at?
It's just the wall.
Of real plants. It's good, isn't it? All solar powered too.
No way.
Yeah, absolutely. Because I told you earlier they're solar powered. That means they are solar powered. The whole show, Kit and Caboodle produces enough electricity, supposedly, from the sun.
Are you telling your friends that?
I am telling you. Oh, look, stubborn. Just one light up there. Okay, so somewhere we can buy a ticket to get upstairs. Now I'm going to say it's at either end. 3 what?
These.
No.
From back there, I only saw 3.
Well, you weren't looking, and you know, a few more years at school, you might be able to count.
How many are here?
I don't know. Lots. My YouTube people would love to know how many here, Lockie. That's your challenge for this evening. Lockie's going to tell us how many there actually is. Trees.
Is that for that one?
I
You
don't.
can go up in that one?
I'm not sure.
The Supertree Observatory?
Possibly.
I think there's 12.
Let's
I
ask.
think there's 12.
Okay.
I'll ask. Hang on. Here we go.
Go straight there, there's a stairs.
How do you get up onto the platform?
Today it's a maintenance day, so it's closed.
The
Oh.
platform's closed, is it?
Yeah.
That's good.
Tomorrow it's open if you want to come.
We've come all the way
Okay.
from Australia to see this.
Today's the only day of the month that is closed.
Are you
Of
serious?
course it is. That's why we came today. We came today because it's closed. That's okay. So open tomorrow.
Open tomorrow. Yeah.
What about up there? That's up there.
Our tickets are sold out already, but it's a rooftop area. They can see.
None of them are open. Like there's no.
Closing already. 8:30 we start closing all our places.
Yep. So there's no walk around tonight upstairs.
No, but we have a show at 8:45 if you want to see over here.
Yeah, we'll be here for the show.
Yeah.
That's good. No worries.
For the Skyway
Where's the best place to sit? Or anywhere?
Anywhere, yeah, anywhere around this area.
Probably up the top would be good.
It's not really that nice.
Oh, okay. Ah, no worries. See ya. Wow. Oh my gosh. You know, Sugar Honey Iced Tea, it is closed one night per year.
Why is that?
Because we're here.
One night per year.
Oh my
All the way from Australia
God.
to see this.
We tried.
One
Well, what we mean is it's not open.
Well, if you really want to do it, you can do it tomorrow night.
Yeah.
Oh, no, you can't.
Well, then,
Friday night.
We come to the wheel thing.
Holy shitballs,
tomorrow
Lockie.
night's Thursday night, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Saturday night we do the wheel.
Wow.
After we come to the footy, we're going to be over here. We're going to come
Yeah.
to the wheel.
Yeah.
And forget the wheel
I
by.
tell you,
What time does it close? Like, as in, what time does it close?
8:45 is the show
No, but the last walk.
tomorrow.
No, Saturday.
Okay, we will ask. Well, it was meant to be open. Why the have they got a weekends?
That's here.
Oh, except if Scott turns up. Have you seen that in the Invisible Ink?
So, what time does that walkway close? Like on a Saturday night?
So we close at 9, but 8:30 we start.
Chop chop.
Yeah, so you got to be up there by say 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. But open tomorrow, yeah? Alright, we'll be back. Oops, sorry. Chop chop, 8 o'clock tomorrow night. Be here.
So this is the only day of the whole year.
Yes, sir.
This month.
How the
What time does it normally finish?
8 o'clock.
They said
We've got to be
they stopped
lined up.
from about 8:30 onwards because they closed it around 9.
Yeah.
So what they obviously have is the last show at 8:30 or 8:45.
Yeah.
And then after that everyone starts coming down. So.
Yeah.
But she did say the show's not very good to watch from up there.
That's what I was just saying.
Thank you. April's the new tourist guide.
It's just common sense.
Okay, Lockie, how many?
She wasn't good at maths yesterday.
12. Did you look it up or you counted?
Actually, I don't know.
Because you have no idea, do you? Alright.
I counted.
I can't tell everyone that there's 12 if there's 13. Which I very much doubt because it's a bit Chinese, so they wouldn't think 13 is a lucky number. And certainly not 4.
11 or 12.
Okay. Lockie's useless. I'll count them on myself. Sorry. Back again. One more question. How many trees is there? Like, do you know?
8 Supertrees, 8.
8.
Yes.
Only 8?
8, yeah.
Okay. No worries. Thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's not. What the? That's a load of sugar honey iced tea.
Yeah.
What's wrong?
What?
My toenail's cut into my foot.
What?
So it's bleeding.
Huh.
I need toenail cutters.
Need an ambulance? Okay. The lady told me there was 8. Alright, and I'm at 11 and I'm still counting. And there's 12. There's 13. I reckon 13 is what there is. Can't be 13. 13's an unlucky number. 13. Or is it 12? Because maybe that one's already been counted. Oh, that's hard work. Okay, let's see if we can work this out. Alright. Okay, the big bugger there. We'll call that number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. Get this one in early. We're going to call that number 7. Ah, sugar honey iced tea. Start again. Okay, starting again. My mistake, sorry. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. We'll call that number 7. Here's number 8. Number 9 coming around the corner. Number 10. Number 11. I got 11. We've already counted this one because it's got the ring around it which you walk on. I'm kind of feeling like there's 11. Okay. I think there's 11. But it's awkward. I think there's 11 trees. It'd be really nice to see something that has some writing that tells me, so I could give you some informational facts. Well, if you know, let me know, because I'm going with 11 and we're calling it 11's a lucky number. Legs 11. Let's see what the team says. Alright, what do you reckon? How many? 12? Where the hell did you get 12? I got 11.
12, Scott.
Did you get 12?
We all got 12.
But then,
Ah, man. Did you Google it? Google says.
18.
What the? Bull sugar honey iced tea. Where the f are the rest of them?
Is this only in Singapore?
Oh, well, I don't know. He Googled it. I got 11. You got 12. And Google says 18.
Oh, it is Sandy.
Well, you, if you've been here and you know how many there is, you let me know, because I haven't got a clue. I give up.
I don't think you're 87 subscribers have been here.
Mate, I don't know. I've walked around about 3 times. It's really awkward to count them. What the?
It says 18.
18? Where?
Did you count that
What
one?
the f... That's... Nah.
1, 2,
Yeah.
2,
Miss a few.
3,
Yeah.
4,
Yeah.
5,
Yeah.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
When I can't see the
12.
You got... Oh, you're just making up the 12th one.
No, 1200.
Oh, is it? Well, it's much... But, well, bloody internet says 18.
So I'm going to find that the rest.
They say 8. Oh, man. Well, Marina Bay Sands looks nice in the background. It'd be much better if it had an extra section at the back of the boat. Oh, they're getting one. I think they're even saying that's going to be like within the next 2 years it'll be completed. It's just a monstrous task, but you know, make the shopping centre bigger.